Hi everyone, I'm gonna make a hat and I will share with you how easy it is. This one is I make for a friend of mine. She work at the hospital, and also I plan to make a whole bunch for donation for the patient. And so I have cut in here that 14 inches by 36 inches long. And this is the right side. Look at this with the angel wings, everything. It's so beautiful. I got this fabric from Walmart. Anyway, so in the back side here, I go around with half an inch. I mark half an inch and then I fold it in. And then after that, I fold a quarter of an inch back in like this. Now you're gonna sew on the long side, on both long side, a quarter of an inch seam allowance. So this is what it looked like after I sew on the two long side with a quarter of an inch seam allowance. Now you go to fold it in half, the right side facing right side and wrong side facing out. So that a quarter of an inch and then the other end a quarter of an inch. Everyone, after I sew a quarter of an inch here and a quarter of an inch here, I'm gonna go to the right side and bring it out this way. You can trim a little bit over here at the fold. So when you inside out, it's more pointy. That's right here. Put it out, bring it to the front. You can make a different colors if you want to. Now you go into fold it this way. You see the center line is still there. Iron this. I'm gonna sew this line so it's staying down. On this side, same thing. Sew on here, sew all the way down. So everyone, after I sew on this side, and I sew on this side too. Now this triangle, it down. This is the wrong side, right side facing down. And I'm going to mark here 1 inch from the fold up. Same. So you can fold. Now you go on to fold it in. Iron it. I'm using this one. I think this is a half an inch wide elastic. I didn't use this for 500 years, so it's like not really that. The beginning of the elastic about half an inch. I'm gonna mark half an inch, and then 4 inches. 4 like this. Don't cut it. We only need 4 inches, but we don't cut it yet. I'm gonna place it here. You're gonna sew this. So at the end right here, this is the fold. Place it right here. Where's the fold? Like this. sew this down. So I'm gonna go and cut this, and then from here I'm sewing this end right here, and then I'll go all the way there. In the meantime, I'm trying to keep the elastic right inside like that, so that way we have a pocket for elastic. Up and then turn this around on the long way. Try to stuck this elastic inside, but don't sew on the elastic. Pull the elastic into that 4 inch that we marked earlier. So keep pulling until you see the line that you marked earlier. So you sew on the 4 inches mark. After we basted, I'm gonna come out, and then I'll show you very clear in the other side. I mean, here you don't see really well. Okay. Come here to see to show you, because on the sewing machine you won't see that very clearly. So now I still have the long way here, and I'm going to keep pulling until I see the 4 inches that we marked right here. All right, so it's going to be right at the side here. I'm gonna lose a little bit because it needs to come in more. All right, so the 4 inches right here that we mark, make sure it go right at the end here. Now you're going to go and sew in this right here on the fold, sew it down, and then you're going to close this. Okay. Sew in the fold here. Let me show you. So right at the fold here, the elastic, the 4 inches is in here, right here. So you're gonna sew up to here and then sew in this down. Close this. So this basically it. We have the elastic in here, and then everything is closed. So now on the other side, on the top side here, you're gonna mark 3/4 of an inch. Just as I mentioned earlier, when you sew in the bottom side, you can sew on the same time with 3/4 of an inch on the top too. So either way, you can do it now or you can do it earlier when you sew on the other side with an inch. You're going to go and sew on this line. So sew on this all the way. So everyone, after I sew 3/4 of an inch, if you want to sew the ribbon, I have the ribbon here that I got it from Walmart. This is, you can fold it in half, and then you can fold like that. place it in here, and then you start sewing all around. Actually, you pull this way. And then place it right here where it starts the pointy, and then add the ribbon, sew all the way to here, to only on this side. Now we're gonna go to the wrong side, the right side facing in. I'm gonna fold it together like this. You're gonna sew this close to the side, and then sew this together very close to the side. Everyone, after I sew in this pointy side together, so now it's like this. This very nice. So this is how you wear it. You're gonna put this in the front. Just put it like this for a forehead, go this way, and this one it go right on top of your ponytail if you have wear ponytail. If not, it's okay. You're gonna tie this, and then you're going to stuck everything underneath that is under your hair. It's gonna be tight, and everything stay inside for you. Like this one, you're done. This is the hat. You can make it just a few minutes. When I show you the video, it take longer because I show you detail, so you don't miss anything. This is the front, and this is the back, just like so. Okay, this is perfect for the patient. Very cute. So this is it, everyone. I wear it so you can see. This is the front, and the back is like this if you wear a ponytail. If not, you can just tuck the tail under.